What's going on, guys? This is Alex from This Cob House, and if you've been with me for any amount of time on this channel, you'll know that I believe that cob and earth wall systems are the way of the future for residential construction, especially now with the new 2021 cob building code going into effect. It opens up so many new possibilities for where we can build. A cob home has so many advantages over a conventionally built home of today. For example, a cob home is long-lasting. It's going to last much longer than a conventional stick frame home. Most modern stick frame homes are only meant to last a generation or two and then be torn down to be rebuilt. Cob homes are also energy efficient. They're going to save you money on heating and cooling bills. Cob homes are also low cost and have such abundance of material availability that you can save a lot of money on the material costs of the walls themselves. Cob homes are also non-toxic, eliminating toxins that are present in conventional stick frame walls that are created with studs, drywall, and toxic paints. You eliminate all those aspects with a cob building. Cob homes are also fireproof. So the main point of this video is that I want to announce that we've opened registrations for our 2021 hands-on cob building workshops. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and you can get all the information and sign up there. So what will you learn if you come take a hands-on cob workshop with me this summer? First of all, you're going to learn how to build a cob house that's going to last a long time and be built properly. I'll be teaching you all the aspects and components of how to build a cob house from start to finish. I'll begin by teaching you how to build foundations and working our way up. Of course, I'll be teaching you how to build cob walls and how to make cob, but it's more than just building cob walls, mixing cob and putting it on the wall. There's so many more details and aspects to constructing a building, especially out of cob, that need to be addressed, and 95% of workshops don't address. But I include all this information in my workshops, and you'll get all this information when you come join me. So, you'll learn how to mix cob by foot. I'm also going to teach you how to scale up and mix large batches of cob 100 times faster than by foot using simple machinery. I'm going to teach you how to select a building site, how to test the soil at your site, how to install window and door frames in the windows and doors, teaching you about bond beams, natural plasters that are vapor permeable and non-toxic. I'll also teach you about drainage principles along with the foundations, also how to install electrical and plumbing into cob walls, and how to attach roofs, roofing structures, and ventilation, and several other important topics. So what sets my workshops apart from all the others out there? First of all, I'm going to teach you how to build a modern cob home to the standards or higher than what we expect of in a building today. So most workshops don't teach you this. They teach you very rudimentary, sort of rough structures made out of earth. But we're taking it a step further to where the mainstream would look at your cob home if you learn through my techniques, and they'll view it in a positive light as something strong, durable, and clean, and something that they could possibly live in. You'll also get more than just building with cob. It's important to get your hands-on experience with building the cob walls, and we certainly get that, but there's so much more that goes into the workshop than just mixing and applying cob. I'm going to teach you all the building components and how to integrate every component with the cob wall. I'm also going to be teaching you best practices for creating a long-lasting, code-compliant cob building. So again, workshop registrations are open for spring and summer of 2021. So far I have lined up workshops for April, May, June, and August. So I'm leaving a link in the description below. You can click that link and it'll take you to my workshops page. And on that page, it'll have a list of all the available workshops, and you can click on each workshop that you're interested in, and it'll take you to the individual workshop page that shows you all the details for that class. So read each page and find out exactly what you're going to learn in that class and exactly what kind of experience you'll get, and just follow down that page. And at the bottom, I do have my email address. If you have any questions or if you want to get a group discount, you can email me to get that. And so let me just say, if you want a great workshop experience and great education in building with cob, worth your money, I highly recommend coming to one of my workshops this spring and summer. Genuinely, I can say that they're above par from probably 90-95% of the rest that are out there. So again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments or email me directly, and I hope to see more of you there.